Hey there. Let's talk about something super important in the workplace that often gets overlooked: teamwork. Great teamwork is like the secret sauce to a thriving, productive, and happy work environment. But how do you promote it? I've got some proven secrets to share with you today. So let's dive in. First off, communication is key. Think about it like this. A team is a group of people working towards a common goal. If you're not talking to each other, how can you expect to be on the same page? Regular check-ins, open discussions, and feedback loops can make a world of difference. It's not just about talking though, it's about listening too. Next, let's talk about roles and responsibilities. Every team member needs to know what their role is and what's expected of them. This clarity helps prevent overlap, confusion, and frustration. When everyone knows their part in the bigger picture, it's easier to collaborate effectively. Now, onto something that might surprise you. Celebrate successes. Recognizing and celebrating even the small wins can boost morale and foster a positive team spirit. It's not just about throwing a party, it's about acknowledging the hard work and effort everyone puts in. Another crucial aspect is trust. Trust is the foundation of any strong team. Without it, collaboration falls apart. Trust-building activities, transparency, and showing vulnerability can help create a trusting environment. Remember, trust is earned, not given. All right, here's a fun one. Encourage creativity and innovation. Allow your team members to think outside the box and bring new ideas to the table. This not only keeps things exciting, but also drives the team forward. When people feel valued for their ideas, they're more likely to engage and contribute. Let's not forget about conflict resolution. Conflicts are inevitable, but how you handle them makes all the difference. Address issues head-on, but do it constructively. Create a safe space where team members can air their grievances and work towards a solution together. Finally, lead by example. As a team leader, your actions speak louder than words. Show respect, commitment, and enthusiasm, and your team is likely to mirror these traits. Remember, leadership is about inspiring and guiding, not just managing. So there you have it. Great teamwork doesn't just happen, it's cultivated. Communication, clarity, celebration, trust, creativity, conflict resolution, and leading by example are your go-to strategies. Implement these and watch your team thrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on creating a stellar work environment. Catch you in the next video. Bye.